According to the Shia, today, 12-verse Shiaism, Muawiyah is a kafir because of the Battle of Siffin. Forget about everything else. Forget about his appointment of Yazid to power and other things. The fact that Muawiyah raised a sword against Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu anh, he is a kafir by default, according to 12-verse religion today. Now my question is, did Hassan know this? No, he was Imam Masoom. He knew ma kana ma yakun. He had the power over the universe. He had all the characteristics. The Imamiyah, the Ithna Ashariya, the 12 was attribute to the Imams. He had all those characteristics. He had the knowledge of the unseen. He had the knowledge of the past, the present, and the future. He had power over the universe. Hassan, I'm talking about Hassan. Hassan was an eyewitness of the Battle of Siffin. He was with his father in the Battle of Siffin. He saw the armies of Muawiyah. Did Hassan know that Muawiyah was a kafir for fighting Ali radiallahu anh? Naturally, the answer is yes. Yes. So how can Hassan possibly give the entire ummah, its leadership, in the hands of a kafir? You answer me. You answer the question. Without himself becoming a kafir. Without himself. Okay, this is the problem. They will never have an answer to this question. And I believe this fact alone completely pulls the rug from 12-verse Shiaism. It dismantles the religion completely. It dismantles the entire story of Imama. It dismantles the entire story of, the cursing of the Sahaba and all the other beliefs they came to put down later on. Have you ever heard of the